This is old age home which we have visited, and you can see all the parents who are all waiting for their children, that when their children will come and take them home. But they do not know that children will never come back to see them. This is the situation of many parents these days. They want their children's love. They want to spend their time with their grandchildren. You can see this woman in that old age home. She is expecting her daughter to come back to take her home. But she never knows that her daughter will never come back to take her. And she is trying to pour out her heart with us. And she's explaining about her daughter. And she's telling that my daughter will come and take me. Only for a few days I'm staying here. But she never knows that it is not true. And finally, we want to make her to speak with her daughter. And we gave a mobile to her. And we made her to speak with her daughter. But she's simply crying. She keeps crying. And we are trying to convince her and comfort her. But she did not listen us. And she keeps asking us when my daughter will come. Could you please check when my daughter will come? I'm unable to be here. Many parents are like this. Many old people are like this. I don't know whom I'm talking to today. But, finally she asked my phone number. And I gave her an assurance that I'll be visiting her and I'll be taking care of her. Whatever she needs, she can call me so that I can bring something for her. Many parents, it doesn't mean that they don't have money. It doesn't mean that they want something, but they just need your love. They need your presence with them. See this old man. And he's very old and he's having a chest pain. He couldn't walk. He couldn't sleep. He's waiting for his son to come. He's explaining. And he keeps telling about his son. My son will come. I'm not going to stay. I'm going to move this evening itself. But he never knows that his son will never come back. This is the situation of most of the parents. Please love your parents. Please keep them with you and share your love. This is the best time to spend your time with them, because they wanted to spend their lifetime in these last days. And when we shared something to them, and because you can see this man doesn't walk well, he needs some support. Maybe we can support him today, but not forever. You can see the old woman. She's literally crying. And she's crying and she's telling, my daughter, my children, my son, they left me. And many parents are like this. Please, wherever you are, and I don't know whether you are staying with your parents or not, or you left your mother and father at some other place, please make sure that shower your love to them and get them back to your place. Spend some time with them. When at the last days, let them go with good happiness and cheerful moods. This is the situation of most of the old parents. Being from a charity, or we may go and we cannot visit everyone every week and spend all our time with them. Being a children, it is a time to love our parents. It is a time to be with our parents. I request everyone, while watching this video, are you taking care of your parents? Are you showering your love? Are you showing your love to them? How good you are to them. Respect them, love them, obey them. Maybe in the old age, they may act like a child and they may behave like a child. Never feel bad for it. Forgive them, love them, because they made the same when you are young. When you did a mistake at your younger days, they forgave you and they showered their love to you. This is what the parents are. You can see this old woman And she became mad after her children left her out in the old age home. You can see she's simply laughing, recollecting the memories of her children. But she never knows. She became mad, and she's still in the dilemma of her children that her children will come and take her back home. This is the situation of the most of the old parents in the old age home. It is my sincere request to everyone, love your parents, be with them, get them back. Whoever are watching this video, if you're leaving your parents somewhere, get them back to your home. Spend your time with them. This is my sincere advice to you. This is my sincere request to you. Please, never leave your parents at old age home. Thank you. Thank you so much.